Hey everyone, let's see this question. So in this question we have given two columns, and in one column there's written PCA, Principal Component Analysis, naive Bayes and Logistic Regression. And in second column we have to say that which of these is generative model or discriminative model or just a dimensionality reduction technique. So as we can see from the name that PCA or Principal Component Analysis is a dimensionality reduction technique which learns the principal components of your data, and then based on those principal components it reduces the dimensions. Okay, so the P will be attached to this second or 2, so P will go to 2. So these two options, that principal component analysis is a dimensionality reduction technique. Now there are two types of models, discriminative models and generative models. Discriminative models try to draw a line between the data. Let's say there are some, you are doing a classification task and there are some A type of data and there is some B type of data. What it does, discriminative models try to draw this boundary, and whenever a new data points come in, let's say here or here, it just checks that which side of the boundary the new data point lies, and based on that it says that okay, if it is of type A or if it is of type B. So these type of models are discriminative models. On the other hand, generative models learns the underlying distributions of the data. So they will learn the distribution of these data points and these data points. Let's assume it will look something like this, that okay, A kind of data look like this and B kind of data look like this. Now whenever a new data points comes in, whenever a new data point come in, they will check that that data point's distribution matches with this distribution or this distribution, that is mean, variance, STD, other things. So whenever a new data point will come, then see that okay, if it lies in this distribution or this distribution, and according to that they will say that okay, if it is of type A or type B. So such kind of models are called generative models. Now we can simply match these. So logistic regression is a discriminative model, and naive Bayes, which works on Bayes theorem, it is a generative model. So R will match with I, which is this one, and Q, that is naive Bayes, will match with 3, that is a generative model here. So option C will be correct. Thank you.